So this is our reference image we're gonna use. First thing we're gonna do is jump on Blender, add a cube, you know what I'm saying, cut that cube in half, mirror modify it, subdivide it, and then you got a basic head shape. What we want to do now is just kind of mold it into place, I guess. Not gonna lie to you, this took me a lot of times just to find the right head shape, and I thought, why did I not put a reference image inside Blender? So I went back, added image as planes. So now we have something like looking like this, you know what I'm saying, where you can see both sides. A lot easier for modeling. I don't know what I was thinking. Makes things a lot easier. Anyways, now we got this. Not too bad.
Nice.
I kind of forgot to record when I was doing the body, so I'm kind of just gonna have to talk about it and speed through it. But yeah, this is pretty much the body. It all just started from a box. Everything started from a cube, so you know what I'm saying. Pretty much just the same thing we did with the head. First you want to cut it in half, mirror modify it, you know what I'm saying, so you're just working on one side, makes things a lot easier, and then you just kind of build down there, and following the reference makes things a lot easier. But that was pretty much it. And then as far as the legs, same thing, just kind of extruding from the body down and all the way to the foot. With the hair was a bit different. I did add added a cube, extended it, scaled it down so it's like a little triangle situation, pyramid. Yeah. Then I realized after like a while of doing the hair that I could just look at the reference again. So referencing is key in this video, you know what I'm saying. Make sure y'all pay attention to that. Add the reference.
I will shake it off and then
Moving on to texture painting now. Some people don't like it, some people do. It's pretty simple once you get around it. So firstly, what I did was UV unwrap my character, you know what I'm saying. Make sure you got everything unwrapped, the front, the back, legs, all of that stuff. There's tons of tutorials on UV unwrapping and texture painting you can go watch, but I'm gonna speed through this mainly because I did not record some of it and I'm still not the best at it. So yeah, now we have everything UV unwrapped, you know what I'm saying. The PSX or PS1 and PS2 works in very low poly graphics, so I use a 256 by 256 grid, and that is where I'm drawing all my textures. So I put all my UVs in that, draw out all my textures. I just done mine in Blender. You can use any program that you want, so I just kept it really simple, just basic colors. I didn't want to do too much. But now that we're done with the UV unwrapping, it's time to do some rigging, and let's get into it. Now once we have our mesh rigged, we just do a quick weight painting job, you know what I'm saying, make sure everything is flowing nicely, and now it's just time to pose him and see what he looks like. If you're going for the PSX style, there are some settings in Blender that you might want to turn on or adjust. So first thing we're going to do is go to film, turn the film into 0 or 0.01. In the compositing thing, we're just going to add the pixelate nodes, another video on that, you know what I'm saying, check that out. And on our materials, we're going to change our material from linear to closest. This will give you the pixelated kind of look. But without further ado, here we go. This is the final this is the final result. I think it looks kind of cool, you know what I'm saying. There's some bits I do think I could do better. I might go back in and tweak it out a bit, but it came out pretty cool. If you are interested in this model, it'll be in the description. Go pick it up. It'll be fully rigged, ready for you to animate. Anyways, that was pretty much it for today. I kind of like this style. I'm gonna keep it going. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, notifications, all that jazz. Thank you very much. Peace.